They are in total disbelief that they have been eclipsed out of your life. This person could be crying a lot because of the realization that you and them are no more. Whatever scenario they conjured up in their head in regards to this one-sided connection, because this connection was one-sided, whether or not you were pouring more into the situation than they were, or vice versa, it wasn't an equal balance of give and take, right? And this situation was not unified. The realization that you and them will never connect again on that level, whatever level that was, is really crushing to this individual. For some of you, this individual was manipulating the situation, stringing you along, and you woke up and you took your power back. For others of you, this individual spun a narrative that you and them were a thing, which could have ruined your reputation, which in some cases nearly ended a relationship. And for some of you, it did actually end a relationship. This person was hiding behind the guise of being some type of matriarch, empress, and for some, they try to destroy your relationship with an empress, whether you are dealing with a masculine or feminine. They try to control your life and block your life. For some of you, they try to block you from advancing, from expressing yourself. It's like they wanted to hide you. This could be like a jealous romantic partner, scared that if people see your beauty, your worth, you would leave them, and you did. This could be a jealous friend, sibling that tried to hijack your talents and hijack your life and prevent you from expanding. They wanted you to feel bad about yourself and not embody your empress-like qualities. They tried to barricade you, tried to ice you out from situations, from networking. They wanted you to fail. They didn't want you to stand in your power and be stable and be successful. And for some of you, the realization about this person's jealousy towards you came to light. It rocked your foundations and you had to act quick. So no more canoodling with them, hanging out with them. You started to realize that you have to go solo, because this person was hiding behind a mask of vengefulness. They were trying to compete with you. They were trying to compete with others in regards to getting close to you. So you walked away because you realized that this person wasn't a friend. This person didn't mean well. This person's bitter, vengeful, vindictive. And this individual is feeling very shocked right now because they are used to you having their back. They are used to you prioritizing them. And now they can't hang out with you like they did before. They are literally watching you walk away and they can do zero about it. They can no longer slow you down and block you. For some of you, they want to argue with you. They want to argue with you and scream and yell at you through tears. How dare you walk away from me? I thought we had this thing. No, darling, it was one-sided. You woken up from the illusion. You woken up to the fact that this person was trying to control you. They are jealous of you. You woken up to the fact that this person was actually in love with you, but they were pretending to be a friend. You feel sickened to the gut and you have gone cold on this person, and this person feels the sting of your absence. Yeah, for real. Look, 5 of Pentacles. Their world is now cold. You see, their world was always going to be cold without you in it. I mean, they could find, or they may, if they wanted to, they could have found other sources of joy, but they latched onto your energy, feeding off your energy to give them a sense of comfort and harmony, spinning a narrative that wasn't true, pretending to support you, pretending to be there for you, when all along they were trying to sabotage you and stagnate you for their own gains. And they are shocked that you have walked away, because for some of you, they don't know that you know what they were trying to do. Oh, you know what they were trying to do. They were trying to slow you down, keep you codependent, because you are their wish fulfillment. They were feeding off your light and going out there in the world and embodying it. For some of you, they were pretending that you and them were more than just friends. And there's judgment casted upon this person's head right now, because people feel like they're unstable. Many people feel like they're obsessed with you as well. You have forced this person into healing. They're trying to hide. They're trying to isolate themselves because they're ashamed about what they did. People know. People know the truth. For some of you, they're trying to reinvent their image. Too late. People can see the snake energy wrapped all around them. People know what they did to you. People know that they don't want to be aligned with this person because they feel like their reputation will get tarnished too. So this person has nothing to feed into. Meanwhile, you are winning, and they have to watch you win. It's part of their karma. They don't understand why you are not close to them anymore. You see, some of you are feeling like, why would I be close to someone that was pretending to be someone that they're not? Whoever they were pretending to be doesn't exist. So you don't want to associate with fakeness, really. And this person is crushed, literally crushed. They are in deep despair. No one to hang around with, no one to laugh and joke with, no one to parade around. Like, look, I've got this shiny thing. Acting like you're a trophy. No one to try and sabotage and hide. Fearing that people will see you as a shiny, sparkly person that they want to connect with. So you done them a favor. You excused yourself from their life. You're not here to be anyone's puppet. And they are desperate to reopen this cycle with you. They are obsessed with you. Trying to find out what you're doing, who you're doing it with. Trying to recapture the past. They are trapped in the past about how things used to be. Forced to focus on their own life because they were trying to run away from their problems by trying to control you. They're literally trying to keep their head above water right now. And they don't want to walk away from the situation, even though you have removed yourself completely with the 8 of Cups. There's a lot of mourning and crying going on here. And their fears are becoming a reality. You being independent from them, you being stable, successful. They try to make you believe that in order to achieve, you need to be aligned with them. Ever since you removed yourself from them, you have gained nothing but success. So the truth has come to light that you never needed them. They are forced to be independent away from you. And Spirit is blocking them out of your life. They have been eclipsed. You have moved towards a new cycle that they do not belong in. For some of you, they will try and force themselves to come into this new cycle.